gan latviski, gan angliski. Latviski pie kādam vajag visu. Does anyone needs in Latvian? Vajag. Tātad paldies, man sauc Miroslavs Kodis, esmu Latvijas revijas fanklubā prezidents. Man ir liels prieks gan redzēt visus mūziķus šodien, man ir liels prieks gan redzēt arī visus žurnālistus šodien. Kā mēs zinām, šogad Eirovīzijas dziesmu konkurss viņa 60. gada dienu, un arī mēs šeit Latvijā svinībās notiks visu kaut ko, svinībās notiks Londonā, Vīnē, protams. Mēs šeit Latvijā gribam nosvinēt 60. gada dienu, Eirovīzijas 60. gada dienu. Un tāpēc šī gada koncerts nav tikai ar šī gada dalībniekiem, bet arī ar īpašiem viesiem. Īpaši viesi nāks drīz, mums būs Marija Naumova, mums būs Eldars Gasīmovs un mums būs arī Zlata Agņēviča no Ukrainas. Viņi nāks drīz, ar viņam arī būs iespēja aprunāties. Bet sāksim mēs ar 8 dalībniekiem, kuri šogad pārstāv Eirovīziju. Okay. My name is Miroslav Kodis. I'm a president of Latvian Eurovision Fan Club, and I'm really excited to see all the musicians today here. I'm really excited to see all the press here, and I'm really very excited to see all the fans tonight at the Palladium Arena. And as I already explained in Latvian, this year is a celebration year for Eurovision, 60 years of Eurovision. So we wanted to celebrate this 60 years of Eurovision as well here in Latvia. So our preview, our pre-party in Latvia this year is not only for who participating this year, but as well with some special guests. That's why we have special guests tonight. 3 special guests will come later. There will be an opportunity to make an interview with Marianne. It's Eldar Gasimov and Zlata Agņēviča from Ukraine. They will come like in 10-15 minutes. And now I would like to start with our very special guests. It's 8 countries that will represent their countries at the Eurovision Song Contest this year in May. We still, as I already explained, we're still waiting for Azerbaijan. Eleanor is coming, and Georgia, as I understand, is coming to Monica. Should be in a minute. So maybe if we could start. I was thinking that I will represent everybody, but I think it will be better if you would say, "Hi, my name is," and you will represent. Of course, we see your names, but just tell who you are, and then we will start with the questions. And I will have my own questions first, of course, and then journalists will be free to ask questions. We will start, of course, with Latvia and Aminata, our own Aminata.
You already said. Well, yes. Hi, everybody. My name is Aminata, and I'm a participant from Latvia. What should I say?
And your song? And
my song is Love Injected.
Yes. And everyone should vote for Latvia in the second semi-final. Susana.
Hi everyone, I'm Melanie Renee and I'm representing Switzerland this year with a song called Time to Shine.
Hello to everyone, I'm Edward Romanuta. I will represent Moldova with the song I Want Your Love.
Israel.
Hi, my name is Vaidas Bomila, and my partner in crime is Monica, who's still, she's going to be in a minute. And we're participants from Lithuania, first time in Eurovision, and our song is called This Time.
Hi, I'm Bianca.
I'm Alex.
And we're Electro Velvet and we're representing the UK.
Our song is Still in Love with You. Thank you.
Monica, I'm from Poland. My song is In the Name of Love. Maybe I can join you. I'm also Monica. So.
Yeah, right.